Okay, a lot of people keep asking me how do you revamp your wigs? How do you make your wig look so tangle free, and how do you make your wig look nice? So I decided to make it. So this is Trace Me shampoo. I use Trace Me shampoo, and I also do Trace Me conditioner. They're very nice for revamping of wig on. They are very good. The products are just nice for wig revamping. So I put some of the shampoo before I start, and I put some warm water, not too hot. It has to just be a little bit warm. I like to fill the water with my hand, and then when it's too hot, I like to dilute it. I dilute it with some cold water. It's okay like this. Then I like to brush my wig with the brush first before I start. Sometimes some of the wigs are they tangle too much that you need to brush them. When you don't brush them and you dip them in the water like that, they tangle more. So I brush them before I wash. Then I notice that some people scrub their wig. When you scrub your wig too much, some of the wig you can tangle it up. So the closure area, I use my hand to just a little bit, not washing like clothes, but I use my hand a little bit on it. If you notice, the hair is bringing out color. Yeah, some of the colored wig like that, when you color your wig and then you don't raise them off very well, the next time you want to wash, you notice that the hair will keep bringing out color. They're like that. It's not bad anyway. So you keep dipping them into water and keep using your hand to scrub on it. You don't wash like you're washing clothes, like you are scrubbing clothes. No, you can tangle the wig up. Don't forget, it's a warm water. So I'm done with washing of the hair now. But if you notice, the color is still coming out. So I have to raise it now. But even if I raise it, it doesn't mean the color will stop. It's not a factory colored wig, so the color will keep coming out like that. It depends on how they color the wig. Some people really don't use a good color to color their wig. So when you don't color it with good color, if this thing keeps occurring, so I'll waste this water now. Then I'll add a fresh one, and then I'll make sure the water is off totally. I like to wash my wig twice, at least 2 times. I like to wash it 2 times. Don't forget, I mix it with hot water. It has to be warm. Why I make sure that I use hot water is so that sometimes you use serum, sometimes you use oily things on your hair, and it makes your hair look sticky. And when your hair looks sticky like that, it doesn't bounce, so it's not nice. And even if you put in cold water like that, it can't go off until you use something warm. So the water has to be warm. So the first wash and the second wash is enough. Dry it up again. I'm sure it's clean now. And I also waste this water too. make sure I rinse the hair I rinse off the shampoo. It's clean now. So it's clean enough now. All right. So if you look at the hair now, there is no shampoo on it. So I have to condition the hair now. Yeah, when if you wash your hair, yeah, it's likely to look as if the hair is frizzy. It's normal. Don't worry, it will go off as far as you use the right conditioner for it. So this is my Trace Me conditioner, like I showed you in the first place. I don't pour it on it, you know. I put on my hand, and then I rub it around the hair. I make sure I massage it around the hair so that it will be fine. You have to massage it very well so that the the conditioner will go around, so that the hair will be soft. So after this massage, then you use your brush, not comb. Yeah, use your brush first. It's better off with brush. Then after the brush, you can go with comb, a bigger comb, not the small one. If you use the small one, you might end up breaking people's hair. You know, imagine when a customer give you their hair to revamp, and then you end up breaking it. The customer will be like mad at you. This Trace Me conditioner. It's not a leave-in, it's a conditioner. The Trace Me conditioner is so nice. It's so nice. You see how tangle free the hair is now. So after making sure you massage the hair around, then you can get a Ziploc bag. You can get a Ziploc bag or anything you can put it in so that it would be this is I can use I have to use this bag. I don't have a Ziploc bag, but yeah, I can use this one too. Then so sometimes some people like to dip their hair in a warm microwave, but you don't allow it get too hot, or you can put it under the sun. Okay, so my stick wax is a stick wax, and it's very nice for your hair. I like to put it around the closure so that it will come out looking very flat and silky. So you see how slow I am taking it. I'm not too fast on it, so the heat will really catch the hair very well. If you are too fast, then the hair will really straighten out like how it should be. I like to take my hair 2 lines. I don't, some people, you will see some people, they like to pack it, but I prefer taking it slow, and then 2 lines is enough for me. So that by the time I straighten out the hair, it will really come out looking like bone straight. It's so soft, it's so silky, so sleeky. I wish you guys can feel the hair. I like to make sure I take the straightener down to the root of the closure, even though I will still have to use a hot comb on it last, but I make sure I straighten it all the way down. This is the last part, so I like to use my hot comb to go around the closure area. See how nice it looks. So this is what you can also do in the house. You can do it for yourself. For the upcoming girls, you can also do this for yourself, and then you save yourself a lot of money instead of going to the salon all the time to revamp your wig and style your wig. To revamp wig these days is a lot of money. You see some salon charge 10,000 to revamp, some charge more than that to revamp. But if you can learn this and do it yourself, so you see how flawless it looks. You see how nice it looks. So you can do this for yourself and save yourself some money.